Welcome to Sellegr8 onboarding series. My name is Jack, and in this video, I'll show you how to generate your Walmart API keys and add them to Sellegr8 so you can start leveraging the full power of our platform. First, log into your Walmart Seller Center account and click on the API Key Management menu item under the Settings menu. Then, click on the blue API Key Management button, which will redirect you to Walmart's Developers Portal. Under the Production Keys tab, click on the blue Add New Key for a Solution Provider button. You'll be asked to select a solution provider. Find Sellegr8 in the list, select it and click the Next button. Next, grant view-only permissions to the following categories: items, inventory, orders, returns, fulfillment, reports. Once everything looks okay, click Submit. Finally, let's copy and paste the client ID and client secret values into their correspondent fields in Sellegr8. Navigate to Edit Marketplace details on Sellegr8 by selecting the Marketplace's menu item and clicking the edit icon of the Walmart.com Marketplace. Then go back to Walmart's Developer Portal, click the copy icon of the Client ID field and paste the content into Sellegr8's API Client ID field. Then, click the eye icon to unhide the client secret and copy the client secret to Sellegr8. Finally, click the Validate button and make sure the keys are valid. If everything looks okay, click the Save button. That's it, you made it. Give us a few minutes to sync your orders and products, and you should soon be ready to start using Sellegr8 to manage and automate your Walmart e-commerce operation. For any question, feel free to reach to our seller success team via chat or email. Good luck!